So this is how we tape out. And what we're doing here, you've got the yellow lines that are going to go down in here. We're going to cut out the little joins that you see here to give us the walkway. And if we run over to this side, I'll show you what it'll look like when we cut the bits out. So we've got grey that's going to be going in for the main walkway that you can see here. That's going to run up to the blue walkway. So what we'll do, we've got the yellow that's going to backfill up to here, but the grey's going down first. So we'll paint all of this area. We'll put a bit of tape along here as well. And all of this will go in grey. And then once that's done, we'll move the tape over to this side, and then we'll paint the yellow that'll run up to this edge here. So all of this will be a sort of block of yellow that'll then turn, sorry, move the camera, a block of yellow that'll come out, turn right, move along, and the grey will butt up perfectly to the grey. To show you it finished, here's a little example of one that we finished. So this would actually have been installed in two sections. So the first part here would have ended, then we'd just tape out where we're going to, paint that, then move the tape over, paint the last little bit in, and it would look like one smooth line that's gone all the way around as if it were painted in one go. But usually for corners like this, we end up doing a little bit at a time. So you'll see exactly the same on here. Here's an example of one. We haven't prepped the floor here, so you can see we've stopped the floor preparation there. So this won't be done today, but this one here will do exactly the same. So we'll then paint the yellow, join it in, it'll look like one piece. The grey will run along the front, and it will look amazing.